In this question, we have to find the most suitable method for separation of 1:1 mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenol. Now, orthonitrophenol is having OH and NO2 group at ortho position, due to which intramolecular hydrogen bonding is possible, while para-nitrophenol is having both OH and NO2 at para position. Now distance between OH and NO2 is comparatively more, and hence there is no possibility of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So here intermolecular hydrogen bonding is formed. Now due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, orthonitrophenol is comparatively more volatile, while para-nitrophenol is having comparatively high boiling point. Now here orthonitrophenol is steam volatile. It is volatile in presence of steam. This is the assembly of steam distillation. So we can separate them via steam distillation, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the compound. Now this molecule is having both aldehyde and ketonic group, but aldehyde is having higher priority according to functional group priority order. So this aldehyde must be given first carbon, second, 3, 4, 5, and total 6 carbon atoms are present in main chain. Now at second carbon methyl is present, and third carbon keto is present. Now K keto is having higher priority than methyl due to alphabetical order, hence keto is written first. So name of the molecule is 3 keto 2 methyl. Now total 6 carbons are present in main chain, so hex at fourth carbon double bond is present, so hex 4 ene and al, and hence correct answer is A. Bakelite and polythene are considered as example of. Now bakelite is hard polymer which is formed by condensation method, so bakelite is condensation polymer. Bakelite is thermosetting polymer because they cannot be softened by heating, so they cannot be reused, they cannot be recycled. So bakelite is thermosetting polymer, cross-linked polymer, while polythene is thermoplastic polymer. On heating it becomes soft, on cooling it become hard, so it can be used, recycled, reused. So polythene is thermoplastic while bakelite is thermosetting, and hence correct answer is D. Photochemical smoke consists of excessive amount of X in addition to aldehyde, ketone, peroxyacetyl nitrate and X's. Now photochemical smoke consists of various type of foul chemicals, aldehyde, ketone, peroxyacetyl nitrate, along with oxide of nitrogen like NO, NO2, and along with these O3 is also present, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find wrong or incorrect statement. Now first statement, different resonating structure contribute to resonance hybrid in proportion of their energy. Now this statement is incorrect because resonating structure contribute to resonance hybrid according to their stability. So they not contribute to their energy, they contribute to their stability. A more resonating structure, a more stable resonating structure will contribute more, hence option A is incorrect. We have to find incorrect statement, and hence correct option is A. Now if we consider other options, they are correct. For example, equivalent resonating structure result in higher resonance energy. Yes, this statement is correct. If any molecule form equivalent resonating structure, then this molecule is highly stable. Resonating structure represent the hypothetical molecule having no real existence. So resonating structures are hypothetical. Yes, this statement is also correct. They are canonical structure, they are imaginary structures. Resonating structures are less stable than resonance hybrid. This statement is also correct. For any molecule, its resonance hybrid is always more stable than its any resonating structure, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of the following alkene produce this compound on ozonolysis. So when cyclohexene is taken, now cyclohexene under reductive ozonolysis will produce hexane 1,6 diol, this molecule, and hence correct answer is C. Which reaction is suitable for preparation of alpha chloroacetic acid? So we have acetic acid. Now if acetic acid is reacted with red phosphorus in presence of chlorine, then hydrogen attached at alpha position will be replaced by Cl. So alpha chloroacetic acid is formed. Now this reaction is called HVZ reaction or Hell-Vollard-Zelensky reaction, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of the following given is narrow spectrum antibiotic. So narrow spectrum antibiotic are those antibiotic which can be applied for either gram positive bacteria or gram negative bacteria. Now penicillin G is only effective for gram positive bacteria, while they does not affect gram negative bacteria, and hence penicillin G is narrow spectrum antibiotic, and correct answer is A. The final product form when methylamine is treated with NaNO2 and HCl. So methylamine on treating with NaNO2 and HCl form methyl alcohol along with formation of nitrogen gas. Now NaNO2 and HCl first react to form HNO2. Now autoprotolysis of HNO2 takes place, so it will give NO positive ion. Now this NO positive ion act as electrophile and it will combine with methylamine, so it will convert methylamine into diazonium salt. Now this diazonium is unstable, so nitrogen gas is removed, methyl carbocation is formed. Now this methyl carbocation will react with water to form methanol, and hence correct answer is C, methyl alcohol. In this question we have to find which of the following has lowest boiling point. Now paranitrophenol is having both OH and NO2 group. Now OH is electron donating group, so dipole direction of dipole moment is from positive to negative, donor to acceptor. So both vectors are added. Now in metanitrophenol, resultant vector is again non-zero. Orthonitrophenol, one donating and one withdrawing groups are present, while in phenol only OH is present. So minimum dipole moment is present in the case of phenol. So phenol will have minimum boiling point, and hence correct answer is D. Consider the following diazonium salt and find the correct order of reactivity towards diazo coupling in phenol. So when phenol is treated with diazonium ion, now diazonium ion will act as electrophile and phenol act as nucleophile. So nucleophile must have high electron density and electrophile must have low electron density. So phenol must have electron donating group, and if electron donating groups are present in phenol, then reactivity is high, and if diazonium is having electron withdrawing group, then it will be more reactive. Now among the given compound, NO2 is having most electron withdrawing group, so second will be most reactive for electrophilic aromatic substitution for diazo coupling. Then 4. Now out of NMe2 and CH3 OCH3, NMe2 is more donating, hence less reactive. So correct sequence is 2 4 3 1, 2 4 3 1, and hence correct answer is B. Cyclohexene on ozonolysis followed by reaction with zinc dust and water give compound A, E. So when cyclohexene is treated with ozone in presence of water, so reductive ozonolysis takes place and it will convert it to hexane 1,6-diol. Now this compound is further treated with aqueous KOH. Now this molecule is dicarbonyl compound, so there is possibility of aldol condensation. Now since two carbonyl groups are present, so there is possibility of intramolecular aldol condensation. Now during intramolecular condensation 5 and 6 membered rings are preferred. So in this case, if hydrogen atoms are removed from this place and attack on this carbon, so 5 membered ring is formed. Now this is carbon 1 and this is carbon 5. There will be double bond between 1 and 5, and first carbon is having CHO group. So this is the final product form, and hence correct answer is A. The process of preparation of racemic mixture modification into DLL enantiomer is called. Now this method is called resolution. Resolution is technique of separating D and L enantiomer from their racemic mixture, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find major product formed via E2 mechanism. Now E2 elimination takes place via anti-elimination, anti-mechanism. So for anti-elimination both Br and H must be present at 180 degree angle from each other at anti position to each other. So first we have to convert this molecule into Newman projection formula from Sahar's projection formula. Now if this is front carbon, so from front carbon Br, H and CH3 atoms are attached. Now behind Br atom hydrogen is present, so Br overlap H. Behind H C2H5 is present, so C2H5 is just behind hydrogen, and this CH3, these CH3 overlap each other. So this is the configuration of the molecule. Now we have to remove H and Br, and these H and Br must be present at 180 degree angle. So if we fix back carbon and rotate front carbon by 180 degree angle, so the position of atom will be changed. Now Br is situated here, hydrogen at this position and CH3 at this position, while the position of atoms attached at back carbon is fixed. Hydrogen is present here, C2H5 at this position and CH3 at this position. Now H and Br are removed, so the product form is similar to this. CH3 situated here, hydrogen, carbon, C2H5 and CH3 at this position. Now both CH3 are present in opposite direction, so the configuration of molecule is trans, and the name of compound is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So name of molecule is trans 3 methyl pent 2E, and hence correct answer is B. The major product will be trans 3 methyl 2 pentene.